This is Gardenia from our Maskan Bari Eid collection. Very nice and decent white with pink and green embroidery on the front. This is also part of the center panel. Such a beautiful color. These are the side panels with this lovely motif and lovely self border on white also. It comes with these gorgeous pattis on organza. This goes on the front and back. Very delicate embroidery. And along with it, this is the sleeves border on organza. Also very beautiful. The sleeves are embroidered also. They have these lovely embroidered lines on them. This is also part of the back. We have this lovely organza dupatta with cutwork on them. This is a nice border as well. Very beautiful pink color to complement the look. It also has this pallu for the dupatta. Very beautiful, and it comes with a plain white trouser.